guys, and Fu Xiaobo from Xinhua News Agency. Xinjiang is holding local 2 sessions this week. Lawmakers and political advisors of all ethnic groups are here in Urumqi to discuss the economic and social development in the past years and make plans for 2021. What topics are the most expected during the meeting? Please follow my camera to have a look.
如何把这个铁路的站设在我们巫峡县城境里？
农村的上医务人员紧缺这个问题，
结合我们这个本地的这个实际啊，这个我们解决了这个创业难、增收难、收益难的问题。
我这一次会议带来了这个伊犁州薰衣草产业发展标准化体系建设的提案。
我这次带的建议呢，就是关于加大塔城地区公路项目建设的建议。